Hello kids, welcome to our fun English class. Today we are going to learn about birds and their sounds. Are you ready? Let's fly into the lesson. D-U-C-K duck. This is a duck. A duck says quack quack. A duck swims in the water. H-E-N hen. This is a hen. A hen says cluck cluck. A hen lays eggs. Yes, P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. A sparrow says crip crip. A sparrow is a small bird. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. This is an eagle. An eagle says scratch. An eagle can fly very high. O-W-L. Owl. This is an owl. An owl says "Hmm, hmm." An owl can see in the dark. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. This is a penguin. A penguin says hawk hawk. Penguins lives in a cold places. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. This is a parrot. A parrot says a parrot can talk. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. This is a rooster. A rooster say cock-a-coo. A rooster wakes up in the morning. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. This is a peacock. A peacock says P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. A pigeon says coo coo. Let's play a game. I will make a sound and you tell me which bird it is.
Eagle. Owl. Hen.
Great job. You are a super smart. Today we learned different birds and their sounds. You did an amazing job. Like, share and subscribe for the more learning videos. See you next time. Bye bye.